YouTube, baby. Chevy Church, man. Hey, your boy back. I told y'all I can get this thing a fresh tune up, bro. What I'm gonna do first, how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna change my spark plugs. Then I'm gonna change my oil. I got the filter and everything. Matter of fact, let me get it right now. Hold on. Hold on. All right, y'all can see I got all my stuff right here. I got the 1040 oil filter, fuel filter, about that zinc. This right here is that down there. It's not the exact same style as the other one, but yeah. Got all my stuff. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start on this side first. And the reason why I'm starting on this side first is because it's the hard side. And years ago, my uncle, he taught me when he was first teaching me how to change out spark plugs and stuff like that. He said you always want to work on the hard side first. That way, when you get to the easier side, be a piece of cake. So shout out to you, Uncle Thomas, for showing me that. Let's go, y'all. All right, that's one. Ooh. All right, it's two out. All right. Put this one back right. For six, I'm telling you. She coming out though. She's just taking some time. Ah, man, she's in there good. I'm putting this first one back in first. Get yourself out. Jesus. The rest of them pretty easy to come out. Told y'all I was gonna give you that clip, man. Damn. Giving Goldi a good old tune up. Alright. I'm all right here. Okay. Alright. One. Come on out. There you go. Yeah. Take this sucker out for a second so I can have some room to move. Oh, it's actually turning. Okay. Two. Alright. Damn. This one is always a pain in the ass. Whew. Yeah. Alright. Right there. Alright, y'all. Got all of them out. 4 and 4. Go to the parts store real quick. Warranty these out. You know what I'm saying? That warranty helps. So I'm gonna do that. Turn y'all back on, man. Let's go. Your boy back from the parts store, man. Got the spark plugs, man. Same ones. I don't have to gap them. They already come pre-gapped and everything. But I got this. Booyah! I was really looking for a white one. They didn't have one, but you know, I don't think it looked too bad with that Chevy red orange look. So now if I had my maroon car, boy, it would have went perfect with that. But let's go, man. Let's put these spark plugs in. Change the oil next, the fuel filter, and all that other stuff, man. We good. All right, in case y'all want to know, if you run the 350 with Vortec heads, part number is 41993. Damn good spark plugs, man. Damn good. They already come pre-gapped and everything. Let me show y'all what they look like when they come pre-gapped. Look at that. See how pretty they look? You do not want to break any spark plugs. Just take your time. Just hand twist them in there first before you start using the stuff. I hope my phone don't fall. right. Be careful not to break them. I think that's about it. Okay, now this one can go in. That's in. This one. All right, now I got the plugs on, the wires on. Make sure everything was good. Now I'm finna change my fuel filter. It's air filter right here, and change oil, and that'll be it, man. Let's change this hat out. That's about the same. Clean this top off and my valve covers. This is the exact right one I need. Right size. Slap it on top. It ain't gonna be the prettiest, but it's brand new. She gonna breathe right. Man. Woo. There we go. Damn. All right, man. Y'all see it? Got the brand new air filter on there. Brand new fuel filter. Put it on myself. Brand new spark plugs in there. They screwed in right. Everything good. So now all I gotta do is just change the oil on this bad boy, and we done. Let's get it. Let's get this oil changed, man. Whew. Oh man. All right, moment of truth. Ignore the exhaust leak. I've been had the exhaust leak. Woo. Fresh tune-up, man. New spark plugs, new fuel filter, new air cleaner, air filter, and fresh oil, brand new oil filter. Woo! Bought it at Z. Sound pretty good. Got a different color. I don't know, it don't look bad though. I heard him too. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Let me check this oil level real quick. Always do. Change out the spark plugs. Change out the spark plugs. Fuel filter. And a brand new air filter, man. I like that color. That color ain't bad, man. Normally they say check your time in, strip cap and all that stuff, but you know what? I didn't have to do all that because I already checked before. Everything looked good, so I just did the simple thing. Oh, and I changed my oil. So she got a fresh oil change, fresh fuel filter, fresh air filter, fresh spark plugs. She ready to go, man. And she said I'm good. So yeah, she's straight, man. Chevy Church, man, I be doing it, man. All right, y'all, Chevy Church done did it again. It's the end of the video, man. She got a fresh tune-up, fresh oil change and everything. She's good. So hey, keep it simple, keep it classy. Be on your way. Y'all new to the channel, y'all better subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, comment, do all that good stuff. Got more videos coming, man. Until next time, man. Chevy Church, I'm out of here. Peace.